Alright, you ready for this little cracker? Impossible slice, mate. This is so yummy and moreish and so much fun to make. Alright, so first of all, you're going to have to get some sweet biscuits, any sort you want. I like using the butternut snap cookies for this one, but any sweet biscuit will do. Now that's a 250 gram packet, and we need 1 cup crushed, which is exactly half a packet. I just used a hammer and a freezer bag to crush mine, but you can use a processor or a rolling pin, whatever you want. So get one cup of them ready to go. Now we need chocolate melt, or I think it's chocolate bits they're called, so dark chocolate. Now because they're like these decent size things, I've chopped them all up roughly. We need 1.5 cups. So if you've got choc chips, just throw them in there. Otherwise, yeah, chop it up. So 1.5 cups of dark chocolate. Now we've got to get 1 cup of shredded coconut ready. Now nuts. We need 1 cup of mixed nuts. So I'm using walnuts, pecans and macadamias I had, but you can use any sort of nuts you want, and if you've only got one sort, just use one sort. So I just chopped them up with a knife really small, but you can throw them in a food processor as well and make them into crushed nuts if you want. So we have to have that ready. Then we also have to have a can of sweetened condensed milk ready, and we want to get a square cake tin, put your paper in it and have that ready to go. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now we've got 90 grams of butter chopped up in a saucepan. So the first thing we're going to do is, you have to have it all ready because it's all like bang 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 bang. So the first thing we do after you've chopped everything up and got it all in bowls is put your stovetop on the lowest possible you can and melt down your butter. Butter's melted. I love making this slice, it's so much fun. Alright, butter goes in the pan. Oh no, crazy, huh? It's so cool. Okay, now you got to do it exact order, alright? So I'll write it down below in the exact order. So now you've got to evenly put your breadcrumbs on top, your biscuit crumbs. Once your bicky crumbs are on, now you've got to put an even layer of the chocolate all over. I know, it's crazy, isn't it? I get so excited over chocolate stuff. Next layer, shredded coconut. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, you mix nuts on top of that. Oh yeah. You've just got a feeling it's going to be good, haven't you? Oh, it's amazing. Alright, so now we get our condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, and we drizzle it, just like this, drizzle it over the whole thing as evenly as you can get it. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, in the oven she goes. I reckon it was 28 to 30 minutes. I'll let you know in a minute exactly how long it took. Oh mate, it smells amazing in here. That took exactly 30 minutes. Oh, pretty much when you can smell it, 5 minutes later she's ready. Oh, so now we've got to leave it sit there until it goes completely cold. Look at that. What a thing of beauty. Oh, I've already eaten a few slices. Oh my gosh. If you can cut it up and have it sit on a plate for more than an hour with your family around, you're doing really well. It is so good. So once you've left it out to cool right down, chuck it in the fridge for an hour and then bring it out and cut it all up. It's best eaten cold from the fridge. It's so yummy, it's chewy, it's nutty, it's chocolatey, it's just everything rolled into one. It is a beautiful slice. Now if you just leave it covered in the fridge with some Glad wrap on a plate or whatever, it'll last for at least a week in there. So yeah. Oi, thanks for watching. I'll be back. Bye.